Do you want to literally whittle your waist away? Side to side crunches with hands behind the head, chair yoga pose will help you with that. Starting seated with your legs wide open, feet slightly turned out. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lean towards your right leg, but keep your face forward. Don't round the upper back. As you exhale, bend all the way over to the left side. Continue moving from side to side to work the abdominal muscles for 20 repetitions. You can go for as fast or as slow as you want to go. Really concentrate on squeezing the waist as you lean from side to side. If you enjoyed this chair yoga tip, please make sure to drop a heart in the comments below.